I love to get at those hoses.
Upside down Christmas tree.
Are you fixing the pillow for Grandma?
Look at that.
Give Grandma a
Aw.
She
kiss.
says, Grandma, you don't need that hose anymore.
Yeah.
Take the hose off.
Yeah.
Right?
Say, take it off.
Say, take it off,
Yeah.
Grandma. You don't need that anymore.
Is that Grandma?
You don't need that
Say,
anymore.
give Grandma a kiss.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Aww.
See? Grandma doesn't need that no more. No
I
more, no
can't.
more.
I can't leave it off too long.
No. You gonna give Grandma a kiss? Give Grandma a kiss.
Kisses.
It's too loud.
I hear screeching. Give Grandma a kiss. Go.
Yeah.
Oh, she sees your
She
earring.
wants to put it
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Say thanks, Grandma.
Thank you.
in. You have
Now I
to
gotta
put